guys, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Hartington, and we are on a brand new Harris 230 Cruiser. So this model is our single lounger floor plan, great couches up front, loungers in the back, great storage in here. You've got two cup holders recessed. You've also got a spot to hold your phone back here. All of our cup holders are LED lit. Great storage below. You've got drain troughs all the way around all of our seat bases. That way any water that flows down into here will flow out the back of the furniture. Our 230 Cruisers do come with a gas assist held up ski locker door. Ski locker is separate from the third tune. It is a full length tri-tune, not just a 3/4 length tri-tune, but a full length tri-tune. As we make our way back, we've got a port side entry and exit. Our dash, like we do with all of our Harris pontoons, we put a 5-inch Go 5 Simrad in the dash. This boat's equipped with a Fusion Bluetooth and auxiliary input stereo, 4 Bluetooth Fusion speakers, really nice dash, tilt steering wheel, easy to see everything that you need to see. Simrad's located in a great spot. This boat is equipped with active trim, so it will trim up the motor and trim it down on its own. Back to probably the best floor plan out there is the single lounger. So you've got seating here, or you can flip this forward and you got a great lounger back here. Harris does something different that everybody else does not do, and that's this exterior deck rail right here. You need this to be able to ride back here on this lounger. Everybody else is going to take their fence panels and run them up right here and not allow you to sit down right here. Harris does the exterior deck rail, allowing you to sit here or just move all the way back and lounge. Nice 4-step stainless steel ladder. Lots of storage under this lounger back here. Coolers, saddle floats, tubes, everything that you need. Boat is going to be powered by 150 horsepower Mercury. If you have any more questions, feel free to call us at 972-436-9979, or you can visit us on the web at MarineMax.com. Thanks, and we look forward to hearing from you.